Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable notification of post email to you on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on notifications. After that, tap on preferences. Next, tap on email notification. Then you can see the option of post email to you. Once you get tapping on it, so this is how you can disable notification of post email to you on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.